Welcome again, Military Guna TV here, and I am happy. So all those haters, yeah? Yeah. All right, so let me fix this. All right, so Arsenal 1, Brighton 0, and I know many Arsenal fans who are Arteta out wanted us to lose that game. I cannot believe Arsenal fans want Arsenal to lose. Just say that they can get rid of Mikel Arteta. And I said it in a previous video that Mikel Arteta can get the job done. He just needs his own players, and I get a lot of stick for it. Many different Arsenal fans from variety of background give me a lot of stick for it when I said Mikel Arteta can get the job done. And I said there's something that you guys are not considering. Whenever you see you have a coach, and world-class coach are actually addressing their team to facilitate your manager, it means that your manager has something, he has a spark, but you're not seeing him. What I need from Arteta right now and from Arsenal Football Club is full backing of the manager, and I can tell you we will definitely see something great. I am not just hyped up because of the win, but I said before that underlying metrics, I always speak about it. All those who watch my channel for a long while now, always hear me always hear me speak about underlying metrics. We have been playing good, but the results haven't been going our way. The latter stages of the second half, really, we were under the cush, but we digged in and we got the victory. I was sensing an equalizer. I was really sensing an equalizer from Brighton, but I'm so happy that they did not equalize, and they managed the game properly. We got it over the line. It's Arsenal 1, Brighton 0, Arsenal 1. Top comment, I'll put it up right now for top comment for the last video. It's from Jamaican own worst enemy from my last video, and he got the most reaction from that. And the person who I asked who would get the scoreline right was on Twitter. No one on Facebook got it right, no one on Instagram got it right. It was only one person on Twitter who said that they would win. Arsenal won the game 1-0. He's at 123. Just search for at 123 and you will definitely find him. He's the one who really said Arsenal going to win this game 1-0. And many were questioning it because we said we were just not confident at this point in time. But I see a bit of confidence creeping into the team. Great performance from Emil Smith-Rowe. Great performance from Bukayo Saka. Really and truly a stinker from Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang once again. He was actually the worst player on the pitch in my perspective. But Lacazette came on and basically saved the day. Bukayo Saka was trying hard. Great performance from Martinelli again. He's working on his match fitness, and I think he will definitely come around. What I realized from the starting 11, only one change was made from the previous starting 11 against Chelsea, which was Lacazette out and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang in. And what I did in my starting lineup, in my predicted starting lineup, was actually 3 players out. Lacazette out, Hector Bellerin out, and Granit Xhaka out. And maybe it's just personal reason because I just believe that these guys cannot move the club any further. But they are grinding out the results, and we're gonna consistently keep on grinding results because it is getting the result, and it's a result-based game that we're in right now, a result business. So thank you very much again for tuning in. The person with the top comment, I'll bring it forward again to the next video. And my like, let me see how much. I'm going for another 30 likes, please, minimum 30 likes. So hit the like button. Hit the like button if you're here for the first time. Subscribe if you like the content. If you're new, subscribe, hit the like button, share, let someone else see it. And this is Military Guna TV. I'm out.